Week 4, Intro to Algebra. Hello, everybody. Hope y'all are staying safe and well. So let's go ahead and get started on quite a few things I'd like to talk about this week. All right, here we go. Got quite a few things. Where to find everything? It's all in Classroom. All right, here we are in Classroom, Algebra Pre-AP. Now, reminder that next week you guys will have your own thread for each period. Go back and check on an earlier post to see what period you are in. I will no longer be putting posts of anything on here. But let's go ahead and get started. So we've got Algebra Pre-AP. This is what the stream looks like, and notice quite a few of you asking me or telling me you didn't know about the IXL for last week, had questions. Why didn't you see it? So let's go ahead and go to classwork. Go to classwork, and here is week 3. That was last week, or what to do this week. And if you look on here, I have everything that you need. Your checklist. Let's go look at the checklist. If I scroll through, there's everything you need to complete for the week. Remember, this is for week 2. All right. All right. Also on this, I have the YouTube or videos from the perfect squares, which is what we talked about, difference of squares. Mr. Jones and I are posting those videos, so make sure you check them out and take notes. We have the assignment is right here. I post it here, and then I post it in another place, still in classwork. Okay, so if we look through all of these, make sure you look through the intro video. Hopefully you're looking at that right now. So if we go back, week 3 assignment, there it is. There's your work. I think most of you are good with that. What I want to look back, I want to go ahead and go back and look at the checklist one more time. All right, here we are. Let's go through that checklist. Okay, so for week 2, these are the things that you needed to do. Watch the intro video for week 3. Watch and take notes for 8.8 and 8.9. Algebra week 3 assignment, upload and submit the work. That is under classwork. And IXL AA.6 special products. So if you are going to classwork and you're finding your assignment and you're not reading the checklist, then yes, you will not complete the assignments. Okay, so you've got to come and do this checklist. And when you're done doing everything, then you submit the form. We're back under classwork, and here's the assignment that is due tomorrow. Everybody seems to be doing well. Click on the assignment, do your work, and submit. If you're getting into this part, then you should know that there's week 3, April 6 through 10, and you should be looking that up. All right? So we're done with that. So hopefully now you have a better understanding of how to find everything you need in classroom, under classwork. Okay, you must show work. This is not a new thing. You've been with me all year. You know my expectations. I think some of you are getting away from that because you're used to grading each other's papers. Maybe you don't check that, but I'm grading them now and I'm looking. So make sure you have your work completed and you show all your work. Your work must be neat and organized. Please, neat and organized. Skip a line between each problem. Skip a line between each problem so I can find it easier. Put a box around your answer or highlight your answer, preferably in yellow. It's easier for me to read in yellow, or just simply box your answer. Make sure I can find it. Write darkly, meaning some of you write a little bit light and it's hard for me to read, so make sure you write very dark so that way I can read it. Post clear photos. If you check your photo and it's not clear for you, it is definitely not going to be clear for me. Make sure you take care of that. Your goal when doing your assignments is to learn the topics, show that you understand, and make it easy for me to grade. I've got 150 students, 100 algebra students, and I'm grading every single assignment. I know maybe you think it doesn't take that long, but it does take a while because I'm grading from the computer. So just please get your work done and show it. Okay, grading. Had some questions on grading. So Mr. Jones and I choose a few problems that are most important to show mastery of the skills that you're taught each week. So we select problems, and then you're going to be graded on your answer choices and the appropriate work for each problem, meaning your work must match your answers. Do not turn an assignment to either of us without work. You will get points taken off. Make sure you take care of that. That is how grading is going. This week, week 4, you're going to be learning about factoring quadratic equations by completing the square. That is what you are learning this week. Expectations every week. Complete everything on the checklist by the Friday it is due. Check the checklist. It tells you everything you need to complete. Thank you to everyone who follows and completes all assignments. There are many of you who follow directions and do everything perfect every week. This is mainly just, well, it is for everyone in case there's some confusion, but guys, I mean, these are things that we got to follow every week. Remember, you only have 2 assignments every week versus at least 5. So you get cut back on that. So make sure you do everything. And thank you to everyone who completes everything and writes neat, clear, and highlighted and easy for me to read. Enjoy your holiday and don't forget to wash your hands. Please wash your hands. Be safe. And I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget, hangouts Monday and Wednesday. If you need support, make sure you go to our hangout. You know the times. 1:35 to 2:05. All right. Bye.